Hey, I'm Eric Brooks with Alpine Electronics, and I want to give you 3 reasons why our Jeep sound systems are the best solution for you and your vehicle. Reason number 1, designed for Jeep. So these products were developed specifically for Jeep to sound great and look great in the vehicle. We know where this product is going, and we developed many of the OEM systems for Jeep. So we took that expertise and the things that we learned when developing those systems to really be able to implement the best of the aftermarket for these vehicles. So they look great, they sound great, they're rugged, they're awesome. Reason number 2, fully weatherized. So if you're a Jeep enthusiast, if you own a Jeep, you've probably been caught with your top off in the rain, right? Top off, doors off. Oh no, stuff's getting wet. Well, guess what? Our Alpine systems are developed with the real world in mind, right? So if you have your top off and your Jeep gets wet, it's not going to hurt your sound system. All of our speakers have been weatherized so they can handle the elements. Our head units, our 9-inch head units, are also weatherized so they can get wet without having an issue. We have amplifiers, speakers, subwoofers, all of which can handle the elements in your vehicle without receiving damage. So weatherization is a huge part of what makes a Jeep product special, and we make products specifically for Jeeps, and that's why. Reason number 3, totally plug and play systems. So our systems have been fully developed specifically for Jeep, right? That we know what vehicle these are going in. So we've developed a plug and play solution for all of these Jeeps. Whether it's the harnesses, they're all cut to length. They're T harnesses that work if you're using an OEM head unit or an aftermarket head unit. And they're all nicely taped and ready for you to route them in the vehicle and make a beautiful installation with them. Our speakers are developed so that they screw right into the factory locations and use the factory plugs, right? So there's no cutting of or trimming plastics or harnesses that are going to look unsightly, right? And if you do have to trim something, we have templates and we have bezels that cover those trimmed areas. So it really gives us a beautiful application and a beautiful look cosmetically. We have amplifiers that already mount on brackets and mount in factory locations under the dash. We have subwoofers and amplifiers that mount under passenger seats that are already bracketed, ready to go. So all of these things work together to create a simple, seamless installation that's very efficient, right? So whether you're a business owner that's trying to be as efficient as possible in the day, whether you're a technician that really wants to get in and get the job done right, or you're a consumer looking for things that are developed and will work best in my vehicle, this product has it to offer because it is a direct plug and play solution from Alpine. Hey, so again, I'm Eric Brooks with Alpine Electronics, and I hope that these reasons to buy Alpine and to partner with Alpine for your vehicle make sense. Whether it's being weatherized, developed specific for Jeep, or the fact that it's a plug and play system, hopefully you see the benefit of that and the opportunity to really embrace the Jeep culture using Alpine. So thanks so much.